Hello YouTube, welcome to Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's always happy to see you back in my kitchen. So I have some wonderful news and some fantastic news to share with you. So my wonderful news is the roommate from hell is gone. Listen to this. Except for my heart monitor, or not the monitor, the IV pump, it is so quiet in here. So I thought I'd take a chance to update you and let you know what's going on. So the even greater news is my insurance and inpatient home health has accepted me for a bed. So I will hold off on sending any cards or letters or anything like that for a couple of days. I will be going to Ybor City, I think it's Home Health Center. It's a long name, so I will get that out to you as soon as I get an address for where I'm going. This is a great facility. It's an older building, but they have a 4-star Medicare and 4-star Google review, so I feel really safe going there. I think they're going to be good for me, so I just wanted to let you all know to keep praying. And I also need to update you on some not so good news. So here in Central Florida the other day we got hit by a really bad hailstorm. So my house took a hit. There are no windows in the spare bedroom, the spare bathroom, or the living room. The one whole side of the house, there's no windows. My sister said there is glass and water and stuff everywhere. So I'm in a real bind here. We're working on getting the glass cleaned up first, because glass is everywhere, even in the toilet in the spare bedroom, because it blew the window out and right across into the toilet. There's glass everywhere in the living room. My sister even found glass in the kitchen, and there's a dividing wall between the living room and the kitchen, so I have no idea how glass even got over there. But yeah, so it's gonna take a lot to get this all cleaned up and repaired. No one's been on the roof yet. I have no clue what my roof looks like. The siding's pretty much about ready to go. It was old when I got the house, so I knew the siding was old, but now it has the hail damage with it, so I'm just really worried about my house and what shape it's going to be when I get out of rehab. So that's my biggest fear right now, and what I need prayer for the most. We're trying to find a handyman that knows how to put glass windows in so that it doesn't cost quite as much, because all glass windows are expensive, and most handymen in my area in Florida are booked for months. Still booked from hurricane damage from Hurricane Ian, so yeah, they're just booked solid. So pray first for rehab to go quickly. Pray for my house, and then I have money to repair my house. My insurance on my house lapsed because I haven't been able to work, and I didn't have money coming in, and I thought I could fix everything, but then all of this happened with my leg and the 2 spine surgeries, and everything just kept compiling until my insurance lapsed, so I have no insurance to cover the broken windows or any damage to my house. So that's the third thing. And just pray for each other. I love that about you guys. You all have no concerns at all about dropping everything to say a prayer for someone. So thank you for that. That means the most to me right now. You all have no idea how much the prayers mean to me. Thank you for the kind comments. Just thank you for the cards and the donations. There's not been a lot. I know money's tight everywhere right now, so all I really need you guys to do is keep being who you are. I love that the most about this community. Thank you for welcoming new members in who was just as lonely as I was when I started this channel. And just thank you for the growth and how you all care for each other. So that means everything right now. So with that, I think I'm going to sign off. I'm going to keep this short. Hopefully, I'm supposed to get moose sometime today. They have today's date included in their time frame. They asked for 5 days, but when I talked to my insurance, they said at any time they can send in a request for more days. So I have a feeling once I get in and they assess where I'm at and what kind of care I need, then they'll ask for a little more time. So that's where we're at. It's good. It is such good news that the roommate is gone. Oh my God, y'all, she was horrible. She kept trying to get the techs in trouble. She kept saying she was getting MRSA from me because I had a wound infection, and that she just knew she was getting MRSA. She kept the nurses in the room around the clock last night. It was just awful. So I'm going to take these few quiet moments to relax and get my brain focused on the next step of recovery, which is the inpatient rehab. So thank you all so much. Thank you for being who you are. Stay safe, be happy, and be blessed. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye.